Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay-Z and today I'm showing you how to make magic cookie bars. The first thing I want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The ingredients are graham cracker crumbs, butter, condensed milk, coconut flakes, chopped walnuts, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. So you'll start with melted butter on the bottom of your pan, and then you're going to sprinkle the graham cracker crumbs on top of that. I decided at the last minute to add in a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of flour. I added the salt to offshoot some of the sweetness of the other ingredients, and I added the flour as a way to help the graham cracker crumbs stick together. Turns out I don't think I really needed the flour, so you can leave that ingredient off. Also, be sure to pat in the graham cracker crumbs into the butter after you've sprinkled them into your baking pan. Next, I added a teaspoon of vanilla flavor to the condensed milk. Next, I'm pouring the condensed milk over the graham cracker crumbs and butter mixture. I ended up using an extra can of condensed milk just to make sure that I had all of the edges of the pan covered with the condensed milk. Now that we have our condensed milk evenly spread throughout the pan, we'll just sprinkle on the coconut flakes, the chocolate chips, and the walnuts. By the way, I'll have the recipe listed below in the description box with all of the measurements, just in case I forget to mention any of that during this video. The last step is to put this in the oven for 25 minutes. I let the pan cool for about 15 minutes before cutting them into squares. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's something that I like making because it's super quick and easy, and it's also really good. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment below letting me know if you're going to try this recipe out, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. Until next time, bye!